أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. And today I am making a new series of kalmas, 6 kalmas. Now today I am going to making video for first kalma. This is the first kalma. My dear students, my dear viewers, please watch this video, and this is my humble request to all of you, those who are watching this video. Share this video on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. It will be very thankful to you for this favor. My dear students, now the first part of this kalma, we call it Tawheed, and the second part of this kalma, Risalat. MashaAllah. Lam has a zabar over there and alif is connected with the lam. You will stretch a little bit because when there is a zabar before alif, alif become madda letter, alif madda. So you will stretch la, and the next letter is hamza, hamza zer e, hamza zer e, lam standing zabar la, ila, ha zabar ha, la ilaha illallahu, hamza zer e, and this e sound will connect with the lam mushadda with zabar, and illa sound will connect with the lam mushadda with the standing zabar with the tafkhim. What is the meaning of tafkhim? Tafkhim means the bold, heavy and strongly you will read. You will read isme jalalat boldly because there is a zabar before isme jalalat. You will read illallahu, illallahu, la ilaha illallahu. Mim pesh mu, ha zabar mim ham, mim zabar ma, Muhammad, dal tu pesh, ra dur, ra zabar ra, durra, sin pesh waw su, this is a waw madda here, this is a waw madda, lam pesh lam, lul lam, standing zabar la, lullah, ha zerhi, rasulullahi, La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. MashaAllah. For Urdu medium, Allah Azwajal के सिवा कोई इबादत के लायक नहीं, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के रसूल हैं. There is no God but Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the messenger of Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala. MashaAllah. Childhood. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was born in the noble family of the Banu Hashim of the Quraysh tribe. After he was born, he was taken by a woman, Bibi Halima raziyallahu ta'ala anha, to her village, where he lived for 4 years in a clean environment. While he stayed with Hazrat Bibi Halima radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, she was never short of anything and her home was always blessed. He was returned to his mother when he was 4 years old. His mother took him for a visit to her families in Medina when he was 6 years old. She died when she was returning to Makkah at a place called Abwa. And Muhammad, please correct spell Muhammad, okay? Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was brought back by a slave girl, Ayman. After the death of his mother, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu looked after him, but it was not long before his grandfather died too. Muhammad, please correct spell Muhammad, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then 8 years old. Then his uncle Abu Talib looked after him. At a young age, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to go into the desert to watch the flocks of his uncle. As a young boy, he was a truthful, well-mannered, and honest. He never wasted his time playing games. He always helped other people. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.